How to reverse charge iPhone to iPhone. So first you need to update your iOS to the latest version. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use the USB-C cable. So plug it into your iPhone charging port. Now this is the USB-C to USB-C. You can also connect the USB-C to a lightning port if you've got the lightning port. I'll show you how to do it later on. So here with this cable, you can see once we plug in, it's a charging, so show the charging information right there. If you swipe down, you can see the phone is now start charging. And if you have a USB C over here and you got the lightning port over here, then what you can do is you can use the USB-C to a lightning port, or you can use an adapter. So here I have an adapter here. So what I'll do is I'll disconnect this cable and I'll plug this one in too. Okay, so on this end I'm going to plug this one in, and then we got the lightning port, so we connect this one in, and then over here we'll connect it to this iPhone 17. Okay, so now it shows charging. So if you have a lightning port, then we can use that adapter. So it works for USB-C and USB-A as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.